As cryptographic forms of money became standard, their applications have additionally moved past method for installment. One such application is the somewhat new non-fungible token, NFT. NFTs are remarkable advanced resources that only one individual can possess. Be that as it may, what precisely do NFTs mean for the crypto world, and how have they changed the game in the recently arising metaverses? Enter the Mobox coin. In this video, we'll go over the rudiments of Mobox and let you know all that you want to be aware of the coin's anticipated cost, so you can choose whether to purchase Mobox. In this way, continue to peruse for the total Mobox value expectation and contributing aid. What is Mobox, MBOX? The Mobox coin isn't exactly a customary coin on the crypto market in essence, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Rather, it's a local utility token. Thusly, the assessed cost expectation contrasted with the cost expectation for other average digital currencies. The undertaking that Mobox coin was worked for to act as a utility token is the Mobox Convention. The Mobox Convention is a yield-cultivating crypto project that produces coins for the Momoverse, an internet gaming metaverse. Mobox, MBOX, Essential Examination. At first sent off in April 2021, Mobox is a token for exchanging gaming NFTs. As such, it's a method for procuring and exchange coins as you mess around on the Mobox site. Mobox is gathered and controlled through in-game resources. Be that as it may, not at all like most NFTs which are based on the Ethereum blockchain, Mobox is based on the Binance Savvy chain. The typical figure cost, greatest cost conjecture, and Mobox cost increment are hence essentially connected to the Binance blockchain. This additionally settles on Mobox a harmless to the ecosystem digital currency decision, making it carbon unbiased. Mobox, MBOX, current cost. Mobox is presently worth $0.605407 US. Mbox has moved 2.34% as of now with an exchanging volume of $10,385,917. Mobox is presently positioned 383 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $47,245,690 US. Using the General Strength List, RSI, Moving Weighted Normal, MWA, Williams Fractal, and Moving Normal Combination Difference, MACD, from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Mobox, MBOX, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Mobox, MBOX, value expectations. Mobox is presently essential for the Binance blockchain. Be that as it may, it intends to present its own Mobox blockchain later on. Mobox value expectations depend on a few specialized investigation information measures. Anticipate that these forecasts should change as metaverse gaming turns out to be more well known. Mobox, MBOX, Value Expectation 2022. Mobox, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year, MBOX. The Mbox cost estimate for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $0.908217. Similarly as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady. However, no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0.847670 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is doable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Mbox is supposed to have a base worth of $0.726574. Mobox, MBOX, Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Mobox Mbox cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Mbox will before long outperform $1.51. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the Mbox's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Mbox will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.21 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.33. Mobox, MBOX, Value expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $2.12 and Mbox might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Mbox is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.94 and a low of $1.82 in 2024. Mobox, Mbox, Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that Mobox effectively supports market feeling among digital currency lovers, the Mbox coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Mbox will be green in 2025. The Mbox is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $2.72, with a base cost of $2.42 and a typical cost of $2.54. Mobox, Mbox, Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Mbox cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $3.15 by 2026, with a base cost of $3.03 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Mbox has a greatest value worth of $3.33. Mobox, Mbox, Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $3.75. On the off chance that Mbox figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $3.94. Neglecting to accumulate the help Mbox needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $3.63. Mobox, Mbox, Value Forecast 2028. While Mbox is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $4.24 and a yearly cost close above $4.54 in 2028. Mobox, Mbox, Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Mobox will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $4.84 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $5.15, averaging out at $4.96. Mobox, Mbox, Value Forecast 2030. The crypto